From sealing and insulation to assembly, Avery Dennison's high-performance tapes are crucial for the efficient application of mechanical insulations. Our expertise in material science has resulted in integrated tape solutions that ensure higher productivity and ease of installation under challenging circumstances. Tape converters and OEMs receive their tape solutions with precise dimensions and specifications for various construction applications, like airtight membranes for roof insulation, industrial pipe insulation closure, and smoke detectors with adhesive strips. Installers benefit from these solutions by enjoying quicker, simpler installation without the need for preparation, on-site installation, or curing time, and with minimal residual waste and without unhealthy damps from conventional chemicals. Our performance tapes not only boost productivity, but also reduce the carbon footprint, making Avery Dennison's commitment to making a significant impact while supporting a standardized way of working for a repeated qualitative result.